Perfect for French nails, BabeNail nail art stampers made with premium quality silicone material. The soft silicone nail stamp heads are removable, that convenient to be removed for cleaning. Visible jelly stamper kit. The whole clear jelly stamper makes it much easier to pick up patterns quickly, and also friendly for check the position where to place the pattern, not distort the image. A perfect manicure tool for nail professionals and beginners to create stylish and funny nail art. All nail types. When use the nail stamper, just apply some liquid nail latex to prevent the gel from sticking to the skin when making French manicures. This soft stamp kit works on all types, including long, short, almond, coffin, stiletto or square nails. Mini-size DIY freely. The soft French tip stamp and scraper attached kit will become an indispensable art nails tool. It's convenient to take it anywhere you want to do your nail art. Feel free to be as creative as you want. The little stamp helps to finish your amazing and pretty nail art. Notice tips. When it's hard to pick up patterns, wash the stamper silicone heads with running water and dry it in air. You can also try rubbing the surface of silicone with a nail strip to increase the friction and adhesion. Let's stare to create pretty nail art with BabeNail nail stamper set. Top reviews from the United States. The colors shine. I love the way the colors shine when I paint my nails. I started using this polish and when I seen how fantastic it is and looks I ran and told everyone I know about it.